Hello friends, in today's video we are going to do a full review on Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first I will be saying the price so that based on that we can judge this device. So the price is 58,000 rupees, which is converted from 219 KD. So first we are going to talk about the design and the build quality. The build is complete plastic with matte finish. It is made up of good quality plastic, making overall build solid. The design is very simple and minimalistic, so most of the people will definitely like it. Talking about the ports and buttons, in left hand side there is a charging port, Ethernet connector, charging light indicator, Novo button hole which can be used for recovering the PC to normal condition if it has any issue, USB 3.2 Type A connector, a Type C connector for data transfer, 3.5mm jack for using earphones and headphones. On the right side there is vent for cooling and another 3.2 Gen Type A connector, and in back side there is no port or button, and in the bottom there is a cooling vent. The power button is in the center of the laptop. Next, about the keyboard and trackpad. In this laptop there is a full-sized backlit keyboard with proper arrow keys without reducing the size to save space. The backlit brightness can be controlled by pressing the function and the space bar. The keyboard is very nice to type and play games, had very nice clicky feedback, and I am sure this is the best keyboard in this price that you can get in a laptop. The trackpad in this laptop is decent in size and very nice to use. The trackpad supports Windows Precision driver gestures, which makes trackpad more easier to use. But as it is a gaming laptop, trackpad is not going to be used for gaming, and Lenovo also knew it. So they have provided Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming M100 gaming mouse in box itself. As it is a gaming mouse, it has a dedicated gaming buttons with DPI controlling buttons and beautiful RGB colors on it. This mouse is excellent to use and the build quality is also excellent. Now the display and the audio. The display in this laptop is 15.6 inch FHD plus 120Hz HDR anti-reflective panel. The brightness is of 250 nits. The display is very good for this price. It is fast, 120Hz refresh rate, getting the smooth UI experience, and the gaming experience is also great. The dual stereo speaker which supports Dolby audio sounds good. It has good sound separation and DTLs with decent volume. So overall multimedia experience was great. Next, the performance. The laptop comes with different variants and different processor. The one which I am having right now is Ryzen 5 4600H processor with 6-core 12-thread NVIDIA GTX1650 4GB DDR6 graphics card, 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz with upgradable RAM slot, and 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD, and that too upgradable, and they have given HDD upgrade kit in the box itself. This combination of powerful hardware with Windows 10 Home and Windows Precision driver support trackpad, overall experience was excellent for the price. The main highlight of this laptop is, of course, it is a gaming laptop, so gaming is the main highlight. And I tried some games like Fortnite, Just Cause, Forza, NFS Payback, Watch Dogs 2, Assassin's Creed Black Flag, and Apex, and all the games ran at 120 FPS on default settings and gave around 60 FPS at ultra maxed out settings. And here is a small gameplay of Fortnite in DirectX 11 Epic maxed out settings. The dual cooling system worked very well. The maximum temperature which I noticed while playing in maxed out settings was 65 to 68 degrees Celsius, and it keeps the temperature controlled all time. So the gaming experience in this laptop is going to be really satisfying, and I'm sure it is going to be better than what you expect. Now the battery life. This laptop has 45 watt hour battery with 135 watt fast charger in the box. Battery life in this laptop performs same as the other gaming laptop in this price range. For my usage of 2 hours of coding, 1 hour of multimedia and Zoom meeting and browsing through website gave me a total backup of 6 hours. Battery life when gaming on battery, which is not actually recommended because you won't get the complete gaming experience, but still I tried to check the battery life and I got 3 hours of total backup when playing the game in medium settings at 120 fps, and other extra features and points which I missed. Vantage for gaming software. This is a software provided by Lenovo and it has many features inbuilt, but I'm not going to mention each and everything, but I'm going to finish in short. After setting up the software, you will be able to get a shortcut option such as controlling the privacy shutter option of camera, microphone, Wi-Fi protect option, and one of my favorite feature, conservation mode. After turning on this feature, you will be able to use the laptop while the charge is plugged in, but it will not be charging your battery. By this you can expand your battery lifespan and also provide the best performance for your PC. And the next option is a rapid charge mode. After enabling this, you will be able to charge your battery up to 50% in 30 minutes and 100% in 1 hour 10 minutes. And other options are to control the backlit keyboard brightness and disable or enable the function key. Next is the webcam. The laptop comes with a 720p HD webcam with physical shutter to cover the camera for privacy. The webcam quality was decent. It was more than what I expected. Even the microphone noise reduction worked very well during meetings. So the final question is, should you buy this laptop? Considering the price of 58,000 rupees which I bought without any offers, it's a very nice device. It's good in all kinds of aspects. It provides everything in a gaming laptop with not much of compromise. And you might also get this laptop under 55k in sale with offers. So hope this video was useful. If you like this video, please hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for more videos. So I will catch up you in the next one.